Hey everyone, it's the Life Skills Guy, and today I want to show you something that we can do in our classrooms, but you can also do at home. Yes, that's right. It can also be done to practice at home. It doesn't take much effort to get together, and it doesn't take much time to do, but it's a good review. And all it takes is like 4 items. So I think you can get them all probably at the dollar store too. So anyway, come check it out and tell me what you think. And have a great day. So follow along. See ya. Okay, so you have a box. Have you ever wondered what's inside the box? And you can use this in your classrooms. So we just get a regular box like this, turn it open, and what's inside? A very simple thing that you can use in your classroom to work on OT, math, like I said, OT, fine motor skills, math, and also job-related pre-vocational training skills. So what do? Take these out and have them set up. Very easy to do, very quick setup. To get this set up, all you need is pipe cleaners, some beads with holes in them. You don't need the same colors as the pipe cleaners, but if you want to, we've done that other ways where you can match the pipe cleaners with the colors. And you need some tape with a marker, and that's it. So what we do here is we put the number that we want them to put on the pipe cleaner. Now, depending on your student, that can determine what you do. It's like your students, if they're higher, then you might want more. If they're lower, you might want less, or you might want a variety. So we have up here usually like 1 to 10. So there's these numbers. What they do is then they pick one. Their job is to take these, and then they have to get, like for example, 2. They have to get 2 beads and put them on the end. So the goal of this activity would be to pick one of these up. So this says 2. Then they would have to take this and they would have to make sure that this has 2. Now in this activity, we do not care whether they have the right color or not. That's not the point. The point is that they would just match the right number with the right number of beads on there. This is something that can be done at home. This is going to be something that parents can do at home to help them with the math. And it could be also something that, especially it can be done in school, but it helps them with job skills because that's part of what we do in school and part of what we try to teach, working on independence with job skills, math with counting, and fine motor work for those who need it because they have to work through it. Once they're done, then they would suppose we get done. So suppose I just make this 1 to 3. They would call the teacher over. Teacher would check 1, 2, 3, 1, and 1, 2. If they were to get it wrong, you would just say, okay, look at that one again, and then they would have to redo it. All right. So that's a very simple little thing that they can be working on during the summer or at school. Hey everyone, I hope that did help. Works. You can make it harder or easier as you need. You can build onto it. You can make different things. Like I said, you can work on matching the colors. You can add more. You can even make math problems out of it. So don't just limit yourselves, but always think challenging themselves to do more. All right. Thanks everyone. This is the Life Skills Guy. Please follow, please subscribe, and please let everyone know that your kids are just as smart and can do so many things. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.